Welcome back, Tribe. This week in our van life adventures, we're spending 72 hours off-grid in a beautiful national forest. We're finally getting around to the van tour and how we do things like cook, clean, and shower. Yeah, we were naked outside, but we're not bothering anyone except these cows. And maybe my mom.
I'm sorry for putting this on YouTube.
Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Now let's get to the adventure.
Up, y'all, it's your girl Chloe the Virgo, and I'm checking in from somewhere in Texas, Waverly, Texas, and I'm heading towards the Sam Houston National Park, and I'm gonna go camping, glamping, van life, whatever, all of the above. I got allergies, my allergies acting up, my everything itch, but look at the horses. I know my animals.
Boy.
I knew they was cows.
Hi, cow.
Look at them looking. Look at them looking.
Hi, cow.
Girl, look at them looking at us. Look at all of them stare. Okay, let's go. They know we not from around here.
Child. Anyway, so
They in back to eating.
Being treated good, you're not about to be turned into some ground beef, are you?
Girl.
Sometimes you gotta talk to the animals. Cause these people.
What he say back?
He said he cool, he chillin'.
Okay. You won't. Look at them looking at us. Okay, keep going. Keep going. We disturbing them.
so cute.
We are disturbing
It's another one
them.
right here.
It's more, oh my god. On this trail, they did say people be horseback riding, so maybe we could do something like that tomorrow.
That'll be
down
cool.
there.
Yeah. You see, somebody was out here burning some wood.
Before we start the van tour, let's cook lunch. We keep all of our perishables in a small mini fridge between the driver and passenger seat.
Okay, you need a pepper. You need an onion. You need butter. Okay. And what else? Is that it? Pepper, onion.
Could we use more fridge space? Yes. But we managed to pack a lot in this small fridge. We keep our dry foods in the back of the van underneath our sink. We have plenty of space for our spices, snacks, and canned foods. Next to the crates is an ottoman full of dishes, which doubles as a chair sometimes, especially if we have to cook inside at night or on a rainy day. We use a propane-fueled camper stove, and we keep our water supply in 2 5-gallon jugs. We've used this camper stove to cook in forests, parking lots, parks, you name it.
Something. She got her peppers over there with some noodles. We got some. That's chicken. I hear people walking on the trail over there.
Oh yeah, I saw some people this morning.
Alright y'all, this is where the magic happens. We built this bed ourselves using plywood and screws, and we bought a full-size mattress to put on top. The curtains you see hanging are blackout curtains from Family Dollar. We added Velcro for moments where we need privacy and to keep the light out during the night. All of our clothes and shoes are in storage containers under the bed. We also have a few crates that we've drilled into the side of the van that keeps things like towels, jackets, and other toiletries. We don't have a bathroom in the van, so we resort to using public places. This is actually our very first outdoor shower. Ideally, you would sit this out in the sun to warm the water, but as you can see, the sun is going down, so we're in a hurry.
Girl.
Let me see. Freaking mosquitoes is getting me.
So we gotta make this quick, boo. Yeah. It's not as bad. It's not as bad.
Let me watch your body.
Okay, it's wet.
I smell sticky.
You say you would?
I smell sticky.
Girl, me and you both gotta get the important parts.
So now I like to
This is so crazy. Life in your 20s be like, why the water not coming out like?
I feel bad because I was not doing this right at all.
Oh my God, I'm in the woods taking a shower.
Maybe it would have been better if you would have got a rag because it gets more soapy.
It do get more soapy, but it's gonna take extra to get that booty. Get that booty.
Say that on YouTube.
I'm not saying that. Break that out. Beep. For the suds not to show up, I am sure soapy.
You're what?
I am soapy. Okay, I think I'm done. I'll wash my face later. It's too much. Too much. You next?
We gotta bring a light out because it's getting dark out here. It's getting dark out here. Okay.
Take me on. Take me on.
Mosquitoes.
Spread them cheeks.
You ain't distributing the water good enough.
Oh, I'm sorry. What you mean? I'm doing the best that I can. If you ain't meet 2 adventurous black women, you did today.
2 ebony.
Yo! Not you about to violate.
Mom, I'm sorry for putting this on YouTube.
Ooh, girl, wipe your booty, the mosquito.
Oh, crap, I dropped the
Oh, no. Oh, rinse it off. A little dirt ain't gonna hurt.
I'm trying to tell y'all, this is God-given dirt. It's the same dirt our ancestors used to walk on.
Honestly, this water is not.
It's not like terribly cold.
That's how it's supposed to come out.
How you do that?
I don't know. I just extended it.
Still all dirt on there.
It's alright. Still got some water in here, girl.
Save some for tomorrow.
Yeah. That's smart. See, she was being stingy with the shower. She got soapy, but I couldn't.
Here, rinse me. Rinse me.
Oh, I think you gotta turn it all the way. I'm turning it all the way. I'm actually really doing now. Like, I feel
That was refreshing.
Yeah, you got your fan moving?
Yeah, we got a fan on. It's just hot because it just takes a couple hours to cool down after a hot day.
Washing our dishes.
We'll zoom out.
And when we're done cooking and washing dishes, we use our gray water jug to get rid of the excess water.
Tonight we're having some tostadas. We had a shrimp tostadas tonight.
We have a different That looks good. Really? This is a coffee?
I told you you're gonna want
Yeah,
some.
I'm gonna bite yours.
Then we got some corn con queso. Warm this up a little bit. Don't they look bust?
That looks good.
Don't they look bust?
Go this way.
Yeah, y'all. It busts. You got the lights on low. It busts. Bacon pancakes.
Girl, I look crazy. Do not put me in there. Yes, I do. You see my hair? Oh.
Ooh, that look good. Another episode of Van Life Meals. Harry made some curry, lentils, with some potatoes, some collard greens, some plantains. It's really good.
And cabbage. That's not collard greens.
This national forest is so beautiful and so spacious. We really wanted to go on a hike this morning and we started walking on a trail, but then a snake jumped out in front of us and that was it. Yeah, we turned right around and we went back to the campsite. We didn't even get to walk for 3 minutes. We decided to go into town to find a place to work and get some internet access. As a city girl, I've never seen them treat lumber. I don't know what they're gonna do with this wood, but this was really interesting to me. We actually spent majority of this trip unplugged from the internet and off of our phones, and we took time to really just reset, and it was the most peaceful thing ever. We took the time to journal, read, and write, and contemplate who we are and where we want to be and how we plan to get there. If you're not afraid of bugs or being outside, in the woods that is, I highly recommend going camping. It's so peaceful and it's just the perfect opportunity to reset. I can't stress it enough how detrimental this was to my mental health and how it allowed me to redirect my life without outside influences and reset my brain.
Yeah, I already have Big Sexy 2.0. Because she bigger and better. Bye-bye camp spot. We'll be back. Maybe on the way back we can stay for 2 nights.
Anyway, thank you guys for tuning in, and I hope that you join us on another adventure.